channel. In case if you're new to my channel, then this is Keerthi Kumar, and also please do consider hitting that subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. And today's video is all about like this look that I'm wearing right over here. It's this bold neony orangey kind of like lip look with that wearable bronzy neony orange eyeshadow going on. So I just want to play with this neon orange color today, and still I just want to make this look super wearable. So I just went with these bronze tones on the lid area, and I just brightened the inner corner with that neon orange, and I just like brightened the whole look with this neon orangey lipstick, the bright orangey lipstick. So yeah, this is like so wearable look, and if you just want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching the video. So okay guys, so let's just start the makeup by applying the eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to take up this KKW into Mario eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use my go-to crease color right now. So I'm just going to use this shade, which is called Miami, how you say that as, and I'm going to apply this on my crease. So you can just substitute this color with your bronzer shade as well, guys. This is like a very close match to the bronzer shade, and I'm going to apply this on my crease. So prior to this, I already applied concealer on my lids, and I set that with a loose powder, guys, so that there won't be any crease lines. And I'm just like slowly building up this color on my crease and kind of like blending that out in the windshield wiper motions, just like that on the crease to give a definition in my crease area. Now I'm going to take up like this reddish kind of shade from this same palette. It's called Albanian, and I'm going to intensify my crease with this color. So I'm just like intensifying that crease, guys. So I'm just going with another layer of color there. So it's like my third layer of the reddish brown kind of color on my crease. So this is one tip that I'm going to give you guys. So if you just layer the product for 3 times in this eye, just like layer the product 3 times at this eye too. So you just have to make sure that you get the same intensity of color going on both of your eyes. So just like look at the intensity. So if you just go with 3 times, you just have to go with 3 times, just like that. And if there is a kind of like bit of variation in the color, you can always go and build it up for one eye. I'm going to blend that crease out so that it kind of blends out into a smooth transition there. Now I'm going to take up the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette, the coral one, and I'm just going to take up like this shade right here, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner of the eye. So whoa, that's so intensely pigmented, and especially with this brush you can literally pack the color. So if you just take a blending brush and if you apply a color, guys, you don't get like this much of intensity in one go. But if you take like a pointed brush and kind of like place the product in there, you get like a lot of intensity in one go. So I'm just like making sure that it's equal on both ends. And now I'm gonna take up the fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend that, like smoothen that out basically. I'm just gonna take up like this shader brush, and I'm gonna take up a bit of this eye pigment. So this eye pigment is from Milk Makeup. So basically this is like cream eye pigment. This is in the shade called Gig, and this is like a kind of like goldeny kind of color. So instead of like concealer now, I just want to cut my crease with this shade right here. So I'm not applying this shade in the inner corner of the eye. So I'm just gonna apply this. I think it's kind of like dried out a bit. Right from this area all the way till the outer V. It's basically not a kind of like cutting the crease, guys. I'm just like placing this color so that when I apply the next color, like a goldish shadow that we're going to apply next, kind of like pops out more on this golder shade. So this kind of acts like a base. So you know, that's kind of like dried out being on my hand. So I'm just gonna take up like a little bit of product. So like a little bit of the product goes like a long way, guys. You don't need to apply like too much because it's like really strongly pigmented, and it's like these pigments are like so super smooth. So these are like one of the best cream eye pigments that I've tried so far, guys. So can you just see that? So I'm just gonna do the same for the other eye as well. So I'm just spraying some MAC Fix Plus on the brush so that it kind of like picks up the product a little more. And I'm gonna take up this bronzy kind of shade from the KKW Mario palette. I think the name is called like Bronzy. So I'm just gonna take up this shadow, good amount of it, and I'm gonna apply this on the area like where I've applied that cream gold pigment. So you can actually play with this color, guys. Over here you can just go with the bronze, or you can go with a goldeny kind of shade. That's totally up to you. So because like this neon orange kind of goes well with gold as well. So I'm just taking some random brush, really random brush, and I'm just placing the same highlighter even under my brow bone, just like that. So for my bottom lash line, I'm just gonna take up like this darker shade right over here from the same KKW Mario eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna place this shade on below my waterline, guys. So now we're done with the false lashes and the bottom lash line and everything of that. So now I just want to show you guys one of my recent purchase from Fenty Beauty. It's a beautiful like lipstick. Where is that? Where did I put that? So let me just like take that out. So finally like found my lipstick. So this is the Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this is in the shade called Dragon Mommy. Okay, and let me just show that to you. So this is like my first Fenty lipstick, guys. I haven't tried like Fenty lipsticks. I mean, like, I don't own a Fenty lipstick. This is my first one, my first purchase from Fenty Beauty. I have tried the Fenty Beauty foundation, but I was not so impressed with that foundation because I have like dry skin, and that's like a very drying matte formula kind of foundation. So I wasn't happy with the way it looked on my skin. So I immediately like I returned that foundation at Sephora. So that is like the biggest advantage of Sephora, guys. I mean, like, when a product doesn't suit you, you can just like try it out for maybe like a one use, and you can just like return the product. So I have tried the foundation, and that was like really drying on my skin. So I just like returned that like very immediately. I think like the next day itself at Sephora. And this is right now like my first Fenty Beauty lipstick that I've tried. So this is how the lipstick actually looks like, guys. I mean, like, let me just show that to you. So that's the shade. It's actually beautiful, you know, like a very orangey kind of shade. Let me just give you a swatch of it. And it has got that, you know, that FB thing on the, what's that, on the top of that lipstick there, which just says Fenty Beauty. Whoa, look at that color, guys. It's just like so good, intense orange kind of color, but it's not like very overpowering kind of orange. It's just like a very wearable orange kind of color. So I'm just gonna apply this lipstick on my lips right now and see how that actually looks on my skin tone. So yes, guys, this is how this lipstick looks on me. And to be honest, guys, I actually love the you know, the bold color. I loved how this is like looking on my skin. In spite of being like bold, it's kind of like very, you know, like wearable kind of color. I actually like that fact about this lipstick. But to be honest, guys, I'm not really a huge fan of this, you know, like this kind of applicator, because I just want my lipstick to have that, you know, that slight cone-ish kind of angle over there, because I just feel that that kind of perfectly fits into every corner of your lip. And basically when you just want to do a good lip shape or something, that just helps you a lot, and it just goes into every corner of the lip. But this is not something which I'm liking in this lipstick, at least the shape of this the applicator over here. You can actually work with this shape of applicator if you're just going with a safer color option, like a more regular wearable color option. But this is kind of like a bolder shade, and you just have to, you know, apply your lipstick in proper shape with the bolder shades, because you just can't tend to like mess up with your bolder lipstick shades. So this applicator is not something that would work for a bolder lip shade. At least to me, I'm not comfortable wearing this kind of using this kind of applicator for a bolder lip shade. I actually love the applicators of like MAC lipsticks. That angle that they've got is like super comfortable to fit into every corner of the lip. This is something that I've used like so much. But you know what I mean, the MAC lipsticks applicator thing, the shape of that. So that is what I actually love the most. So this is not something that I'm preferring for a bolder lip shade like this. But coming to the color of the lipstick, I actually love the color. I love the formulation, and I just loved, in spite of being bold, it's actually a very wearable kind of orangey tone, like neon-y orangey tone. It's not completely neon-y, but it has that hints of neon-y tint in it, and it's neon-y corally orange, which just goes very well with my inner corner color there. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this makeup look and the tutorial. In case if you do so, please do consider hitting that like button, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That means so much to me. And also please do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is keerthikumarmakeup. I'll be putting up like 1-minute makeup tutorials, life updates, makeup updates, and everything of that sort over there. So in case if you don't want to miss that out, please do follow me on my Instagram. My handle is keerthikumarmakeup. I'll be leaving that link in the description box below. So yes, guys, and also do let me know your thoughts about this makeup look in the comment section below. I would love to know that. So that's all for this video, guys. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.